Hello students, in today's lecture we solve some numerical which are based on the topic capacitor. Now we have these three numericals we solved in this lecture and understood how to solve the numerical which are based on the capacitor or given networks. So first we have question number 1, and here we have question that to find CAB, that is we need to calculate the equivalent resistance between point A and B. Okay, now we will start from the first numerical. In this numerical, first you need to find from where we start to solve the numerical which is given such a way. So simply just understood, if I will start to solve it from point A to B, from this capacitor to this, so this whole network disturb of this particular parallel combination. Okay, so you need to find out the point where your rule which you trying to apply in the given network is not disturbed due to solving the situation. So first you need to apply the names C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7 and C8. Okay, now if I will start from here, so you will just observe that the whole network is disturbing. Therefore from the last of the given network we will start to solve first C4 and C5. So here C4 and C5, if we start from this point, then in between this point and this point there is only a turning. So you can observe here that C4 and C5 in series. Now in the given network, in the given circuit, C4 and C5 in series. Okay, therefore C45 is equal to C4 into C5 upon C4 plus C5. How we derive this formula? That if you need to calculate the series combination, then you have for the 2 C1 plus C2 by taking LCM, 1 upon CS is C2 plus C1 upon C1 C2. We just take reciprocal of this, so we get the result is C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2. This formula is used here to solve the numerical. Okay, now by using this value we get the result is 2 into 2 upon 2 plus 2, which we get 4 by 4 is 1. That is C45 is equal to 1 microfarad. This is the first solution. Then after you need to reduce this circuit. Okay, as I am showing you, this complete circuit is reduced, and in place of the 2 you will put C5, C45, which is equal to 1 microfarad. Okay, now you can easily observe here that C45 and C6 in between the 2 points are in parallel. Therefore C6 and C45 in parallel. Okay, then you will calculate here C456 and you know that this result is C6 plus C4 5, which you will calculate here. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, that is C4 5 6 is equal to 2 microfarad. Clear? Now when you solve this situation will resolve to this half point is solved here, and in place of this you can write C456, which is 2 microfarad. Here we calculate that. Okay, now again you will observe C3 and C456 in series, so we can write here now C3 and C456 in series. Okay, therefore you can calculate that CS, which is equal to C3456, is C3 into C456 upon C3 plus C456, which you get from here, that 2 into 2 upon 2 plus 2. On solving this 4 by 4 you will get 1, that is CS is equal to 1 microfarad. Okay, now this complete circuit is resolved as like that, and here is CS, which is equal to 1 microfarad. Okay, now again here C7 and CS in parallel. Okay, therefore CP we calculate C7 plus CS. This we get 1 plus 1 is 2, that is CP is equal to 2 microfarad. Okay, therefore now this will be reduced to CP is equal to 2 microfarad. Okay, now this process again, these are in series here, therefore C2 and CP in series, therefore CS dash. Again we calculate here CS, so we are using now CS dash, that is C2 into CP upon C2 plus CP, which is 2 into 2 upon 2 plus 2, which you calculate here 1, that is CS dash is equal to 1 microfarad. Okay, now this circuit is reduced to CS dash, and this result is 1 microfarad. Okay, now C8 and CS dash in parallel, because these are parallel, so we calculate here CP dash. This CP dash is equal to C8 plus CS dash, which is 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, therefore you will get from here that CP dash is equal to 2 microfarad. Okay, now this circuit is reduced to this. Okay, where this result will become 2 microfarad. This is CP dash. Now the last, which is here at last step, C1 and Cp dash in parallel, in series. Therefore CAB, which is equivalent capacitor, CAB is equal to C1 into Cp dash upon C1 plus Cp dash, which is 2 into 2 upon 2 plus 2. This you will calculate here. CAB is equal to 4 by 4, which is 1 microfarad. That is CAB is equal to 1 microfarad. This is your final result for this question. And remember that whenever you solve the numerical, you need to reduce the circuit also. Okay, this we get finally that CAB is 1 microfarad in between A and point B. Okay. Here when you solve the numerical in your notebook, so you need to redraw the circuit. Here I am just erasing by the help of duster, but you need to redraw the circuit for some numericals. Okay. Okay, next is second solution. Here students, this kind of network you need to redraw in the different forms. Just I will solve for you, that you can just find here the point Q and point R, it at center, which means 1, 2, 3. Third capacitor is at center, and there is a different relation with P, C1 and R, and S, C4 and Q. इसको आप इस तरह से फॉर्म कर सकते हैं that here you will just solve it like that, and from first two ends use A and B. Okay, now these points are in the two, one is Q and another is R. Left points are P and S. Now put the circuits. Okay, this is C1, this is C3, this is C2, and this is C4, and with the center we have C5. Okay, this circuit can be redrawn by this form. Now here we have very important rule, that Wheatstone bridge. Wheatstone bridge. This is a name of scientist. Okay. According to him, if three elements, if four elements are arranged in arranged along the side of a parallelogram, therefore if the ratio of C1 by C3 is equal to C2 by C4, okay, then the bridge is called in balanced condition. Okay, balanced condition. Clear? This is very important situation. So if the bridge is balanced, so we can ignore if bridge is balanced, then we can ignore C5 in diagonal QR. Okay, so just we first understood it is balanced or not. So you will get here the value of C1, C2, C3 and C4 is equal to 4 microfarad. We just use here 4 by 4 equal to 4 by 4. We get the result is 1 equal to 1, which means the left side is equal to the right side. We can say bridge is balanced. Okay, bridge is balanced. Okay, if the bridge is balanced, then we can redraw this bridge as AB, and we no need to put C5. Okay, C1, C3, C2, C4. This one is eliminated. Okay, now here C1 and C2 and C3 and C4 in series. Clear? Therefore we calculate here C1 C2 is 4 into 4 by 4 plus 4. We get this result is 16 by 8 is 2 microfarad, and C3 1 minute, yes, C3 and 4 into 4 by 4 plus 4 is 2 microfarad. Okay, now the result is reduced to A and B. Here this one is C12 and this is C34. Now the two are in parallel, so we calculate CAB is equal to C12 plus C34, which is 2 plus 2 is 4 microfarad. This is your equivalent capacitor between point AB. Okay, just note down this. Okay. 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 Next we have the third. In this we need to calculate the value of capacitor C in the given network if the equivalent capacitor between A, B is 30 microfarad. Okay. Now here C1, C2 and C3 in parallel combination. Okay, therefore CP is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3, which is 20 plus 20 plus 20 in 20 is 60 microfarad. This is value of Cp. Now the circuit is reduced to like that. This is C and this is Cp, which is 60 microfarad. Okay. Now CAB is equal to Cp into C upon C plus Cp, which is 60 into C upon 60 plus C, and this value we have 30. Okay, now you will easily calculate from here that this 30 cancel this by 2 times, so we will get here 2C upon 60 plus C equal to 1. Now multiply here, you will get 2C is equal to 60 plus C. Now this C substitute here, you will get 2C minus C is equal to 60, that is C is equal to 60 microfarad. This is how you can solve the value of unknown resistance by given information. Okay, now students, next we have this network. Again we need to calculate the value of equivalent capacitor between the point A and B. Okay, so first we name the capacitor used in the circuit. Let's say C1, C2, C3, C4, C5 and C6. Okay, now here you will very easily understood that the capacitor, this two C4, C2, C3 and C4 is connected across the point, let's say P to point Q. Therefore these three are in series. Again just understood, from P to R, these two are also connected in series. So first we solve the two. In the network, in the circuit, C2, C3 and C4 in series. Okay, and here we can write that P to Q, and here we can write P to R, C5 and C6 in series. Okay, now see, C1 by C234 is equal to 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3 plus 1 upon C4. By using the value 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4, you will get the LCM is 4. Here is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 into 2 is 4. So here by taking LCM 2 and this is 1. This we solve 1 4 by 4, that is 1 by C234 is equal to 1, which you calculate here 234 is equal to 1 microfarad. Clear? Now see here, C56 is C5 into C6 upon C5 plus C6, which is 4 into 2 upon 4 plus 2. This you will calculate at 8 by 6, that is C56 is equal to 4 by 3 microfarad. Okay, after doing this, just resolve the circuit like that. C234 C56 and this is C1. Okay, now we can easily find in between point P to Q as in the circuit. C56 and C234 in parallel combination. Okay, therefore you can solve it very easily, that Cp is equal to C56 plus C234, which is 1 plus 4 by 3, which you calculate is 7 by 3 microfarad. That is Cp is equal to 7 by 3 microfarad. This. Then after the circuit is reduced to in this form, or either you can put this C1 Cp and this is Cp. This is point A and B. Any of the two figure you can resolve it. Now C1 and Cp in series. Therefore CAB is equal to C1 into Cp upon C1 plus Cp, that is this we have 4 here, 4 into 7 by 3 upon 4 plus 7 by 3. This we get 7 into 4 is 28 by 3, and in denominator 12 plus 7 by 3. Okay, this you will find that the final result is CAB is equal to 28 by 19, 7 by 7 and 12 is 19 microfarad. Okay, numericals are very easy, but you need to understood how the capacitors are connected and in between which point the circuits have the series combination and in which point the circuit have the parallel combination. If you identify that, you will get the answer very easily. Now in this, first you will name the capacitors, let's say C1, C2, C3, C4, C5 and C6. Okay, now in the given network in the given network, here we have C2 and C3 in parallel, and if we see here, okay, in between the point PQ, between P and Q, okay, and next if we put the points R and S here, therefore C5 and C4 in parallel between R and point S, okay. Therefore you can very easily calculate that C23 is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, that is C23 is 2 microfarad, and here C45 is C4 plus C5, which is 4 plus 4 is C45 is 8 microfarad. After doing so, just reduce the circuit as okay. Now let here D is this point is C, okay, or this point is C and this point is D. Now C and point D, here we resolved it. This is C1, this is C6, this we calculate C45, and this we have C23. Clear? Now you can very easily find that from this to this C1 and C23 is in series, and from this to this C6 and C45 is in parallel. तो हम कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. That is, now this is your given figure, this is figure 2. From figure 2, C1 and C23 in series, okay, and C6 and C45 in series, okay. Now we can calculate it as CS, which is C1 into C23, C1 plus C2, which is 2 into 2. Here we have 2 microfarad, this is again 2 microfarad. Here is 8 microfarad, and this value is also 8 microfarad. So this is 2 plus 2. This we calculate as CS is equal to 4 by 4, that is 1. So CS is equal to 1 microfarad, and for C6 and this in series we calculate CS dash, okay. Now the CS dash is 8 into 8 upon 8 plus 8, which we get is 64 upon 16, which is 4, that is CS dash is 4 microfarad, okay. After doing so, the circuit is reduced to CS dash and CS. Okay. Now from C to D we have this circuit left. This is third situation. Now from third figure, CS and CS dash in parallel combination, which is the final situation, that is CAB, which is equal to CP, that is CS plus CS dash. This you will calculate here. 1 plus 4, which is CAB, is equal to 5 microfarad. This is your final answer. Okay. Okay students, next we have the third, in which we have the 10 capacitor connected across each other. Okay, and you will very easily understood here that first circuit and second circuit, in which C2 and C3 in parallel, and in the second circuit C4, C5 and C6 in parallel. First we solve the two. Therefore here C3, C4, C5 and C6 in parallel, and here C2 and C3 in parallel. Okay, therefore you can calculate from here. 4, 5, 6 is C1 plus C2 plus C4, C5 and C6. We have these value 120 plus 140 plus 40. When we add this 140 plus 40, 180 plus 20 is 200, is 300 picofarad. This is C4, 5 and 6. Okay, and here C23 is C2 plus C3, which is 120 plus 80. This we get C23 is 200 picofarad. Okay, this is according to figure 1. Now we reduce this circuit as A to B, this, in which this we have C23, this is C4, 5, 6 and this is C7, here is C9 and C10, this is C8 and this is C1. Okay, now this is second situation. Then we go for figure second. Here C2, 3, C4, 5, 6 and C7 in series, and C9 and C10 in also series. Therefore CS, which we calculate for C23, C4, 5, 6 and C7, which is 1 upon C23 is 200 this value is 300 and C7 is 600. Now we take here LCM as 600. For 600 multiply here 3, for 600 multiply here 2, and here is 1, that you get 6 by 600, which is 1 by 100. Therefore you will calculate that CS is equal to 100 picofarad. Okay, next here we have CS dash for C9 and 10. So C9 into C10 upon C9 plus C10, you will get this 75 into 150 upon 75 plus 150. This you will calculate as 75 into 150 upon 75 is 225. Now this you will calculate as 25 is 3 times, and this cancel by 9 times. This is now cancel by 3 times, and this is cancel by 3 as 50 times. So you will calculate as CS dash is equal to 50 picofarad. Okay, now this circuit is reduced to CS and CS dash. This is C1 and this is C8. This is third situation. Now from figure third, CS and CS dash in parallel. Therefore CP we calculate CS plus CS dash, that is 100 plus 50 is equal to 150 picofarad. That is CP is equal to 150 picofarad. Now this circuit is reduced to A to B, C1, CP and C8. Okay, this is our fourth situation. Therefore from figure 4, C1, CP and C8 in series. Therefore CAB, which is equivalent finally, that C1, CP and C8, which we have 1 by 30, 1 by 50 and 1 by 100. Therefore 1 upon CAB is equal to, as LCM we have 300. For 300 multiply here 10, here 2 and here 3. This you will calculate that 15 by 300, which is cancelled by 20 times, which is 1 upon 20. Therefore CAB is equal to 20 picofarad. This is your final answer. Okay, so student, it is very clear that if you identify in the capacitor related network or circuit numericals which capacitor is connected across series combination or which one is across parallel combination, you will easily solve the numerical by doing so. Okay, so these numericals are simple, but little bit when you see the networks, these are assumed as these are tough, but actually it is not tough, it is too easy. Thank you.